You want to make more money. You want to become a millionaire. You've been watching motivational videos, soaking up positive energy, practicing the law of attraction, and maybe even dabbling in online money-making schemes. You've followed so-called financial gurus who promise the world but deliver little. And yet here you are, still searching, still striving, still dreaming. But let me tell you something. You're wasting the most precious resource you have: time. Today, I'm cutting through the noise and giving you the 3 straightforward pillars to make you a millionaire. I'm not just talking theory here. Many have done it, and so have I. It took me years of mistakes, hard lessons, and relentless effort, but I've distilled everything I've learned over 27 years into this blueprint just for you. As Warren Buffett once said, someone's sitting in the shade today because someone planted a tree a long time ago. If you want to sit in the shade of financial freedom, you need to start planting your trees now. If you're waiting for a lottery win or some magical money hack, stop. The probability of that happening is near zero. But if you're serious about building wealth, listen closely. No billionaire became a billionaire by accident. Even those who had a stroke of luck still relied on strategy, smart work, and relentless dedication. Without a plan, you'll either never make that kind of money, take too long to get there, or worse, lose it all. Think about Mike Tyson. At one point, he was worth $300 million, but he lost it all. Why? Because he didn't have a strategy to sustain his wealth. The lesson? You need a plan, and that plan changes depending on where you are in life. Today, I'm giving you the strategies and models you need to build your empire. Along the way, you'll master 3 critical pillars that will transform your financial future. Let's dive in. The first pillar is what I call the fortress, your unshakable foundation. Imagine building a skyscraper. You don't start with the penthouse. You start with a strong foundation, one that can withstand any storm. That's what the fortress is all about. This is your financial bedrock, your safety net. It's where you park your secure investments to create a solid foundation. Robert Kiyosaki, the author of Rich Dad, Poor Dad, said, "The richest people in the world look for and build networks. Everyone else looks for work." The fortress is your network of stable, reliable investments that work for you, even when you're not actively managing them. The investments that make the fortress are: number 1, real estate. Owning property provides rental income and appreciates over time. Think about someone like Grant Cardone, who built a $2 billion real estate empire by focusing on cash-flowing properties. Number 2, blue chip stocks. Invest in established companies like Apple or Coca-Cola. These giants have weathered countless economic storms and still deliver consistent returns. Number 3, government bonds. A low-risk way to earn steady returns while lending money to the government. It's like putting your money in a vault that grows slowly but surely. The fortress is your financial security. It's what protects you when the market crashes or life throws you a curveball. Without it, you're building on sand. Now comes the pillar number 2, which I refer to as the Voyager, your exploration vessel, your vehicle for seizing opportunities. Think of it as a seasoned trader scanning the horizon for the next big wave. As Tony Robbins says, the only limit to your impact is your imagination and commitment. The Voyager is all about committing to the hunt for opportunities and staying agile in a fast-changing world. Under the Voyager, you have to manage: number 1, short-term investments. Trade stocks, bonds, or cryptocurrencies to capitalize on market fluctuations. 1. For example, during the COVID-19 pandemic, savvy investors made fortunes by buying stocks like Zoom and Tesla at their lows. Number 2, venture capital. Invest in promising startups with high potential returns but not with high risk. 2. Think about Peter Thiel, who turned a $500,000 investment in Facebook into over $1 billion. And number 3, side hustles. Your job, freelance work, or any income-generating activity that keeps you moving forward. 3. For instance, many people today are making 6 figures through side hustles like YouTube, dropshipping, or consulting. The Voyager is about agility, adaptability, and calculated risks. It's how you navigate the dynamic world of markets and seize fleeting opportunities. Now comes my favorite, pillar number 3, which I call the Phoenix, your engine for exponential growth. The Phoenix rises from the ashes stronger than ever, just like your investments can skyrocket if you play your cards right. As Elon Musk once said, when something is important enough, you do it even if the odds are not in your favor. The Phoenix is about betting on high potential opportunities, even when they seem risky. Under the Phoenix, you need to invest in: number 1, high growth companies. Invest in startups or small businesses with explosive potential. 1. For example, early investors in companies like Amazon or Google. saw their investments grow by thousands of percent. Number 2, disruptive businesses. Think tech innovations, AI, or industries on the brink of transformation. 2. Companies like Tesla and SpaceX are perfect examples of disruptive businesses that changed entire industries. And number 3, slow and steady businesses. Restaurants, salons, or leasing businesses that grow steadily over time. 3. These may not make headlines, but they can generate consistent cash flow and long-term wealth. The Phoenix is about embracing risk, nurturing potential, and aiming for transformative returns. It's how you turn $10,000 into $1 million, and that into $10 million, and from that to hundreds of millions of dollars over time. Let's talk about the balanced approach, how to use all 3 pillars together. Here's the key. You don't pick just one pillar. You need all 3 working together in harmony. 1. The Fortress provides stability and security. 2. The Voyager fuels your adventurous spirit and keeps you agile. 3. The Phoenix drives your long-term growth and fuels your ambition. Think of it like sailing a ship. The Fortress is your anchor, keeping you steady. The Voyager is your sail, catching the wind to move forward. And the Phoenix is your engine, propelling you toward your destination. As Ray Dalio, the founder of Bridgewater Associates, says, diversification is the most important thing you need to do to invest well. A balanced portfolio that includes all 3 pillars ensures you're prepared for any market condition. Just remember the millionaire mindset: patience, discipline, and long-term vision. Building wealth isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. It requires patience, discipline, and a long-term perspective. You'll face storms, setbacks, and moments of doubt, but if you stay the course, you'll reach your destination. Remember, 1. Review your strategy regularly. 2. Adapt as needed. 3. Never lose sight of your goals. As Oprah Winfrey once said, the biggest adventure you can take is to live the life of your dreams. Your financial journey is that adventure. If you're ready to take control of your financial future, start building your empire today. Use these 3 pillars to create a plan that works for you. And remember, you don't have to do it alone. Consult with the right advisors, do your research, and keep learning. You have to follow the action steps to start building your wealth. Step number 1, write down your plan. Step number 2, assess how much can you invest every month. Step number 3, list down the assets and businesses that you want to invest in, falling under these 3 pillars, and then allocate the amounts that you think are suitable according to your risk tolerance. Step number 4, do your research in all these assets thoroughly. Step number 5, execute your investments. And step number 6, keep track of all these investments and keep monitoring which one is growing at what pace and make adjustments over time as you keep learning what is better than the others. But do not forget that even if some are working better than others, you have to keep your portfolio diversified. The objective is not to get greedy and follow the plan diligently. As always, we are here to help you throughout the way. We at Venture World operate more than 30 businesses in Dubai, Paris, Amsterdam, Madrid, Berlin, and emerging countries in Asia and Africa as part of our diversification in technology, international trading, farming, logistics, food and beverage, healthcare, disruptive startups, and more. We also showcase many such opportunities that individuals and corporations may engage with directly or may seek our guidance and support in planning, assessment, executions, marketing, and operations. Or you can just become a part of our community to stay updated on various opportunities. If this video inspired you, hit the like button, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to hear this. Because in the upcoming videos, we will discuss on how to source, analyze, select, and execute these investments globally. This will be an exciting journey for you and us together, discussing various businesses and opportunities and practical ways of building your wealth. Let's build a community of wealth builders who support and uplift each other. Together, we will build and partner in the best growing businesses and assets. And as always, remember, the journey to $1 million, $10 million, or $100 million starts with a single step. Take that step today. This video should not be construed as financial, investment, or legal advice. You need to do your research and consult with a qualified professional before making any financial decisions. You have the potential to grow your worth to millions of dollars with the right strategies and tools, and never doubt yourself. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Take this moment and make it perfect by moving forward with purpose and passion. So what are you waiting for? Let's go build your empire. Period. Stay blessed, stay wealthy.